Are you serious? What is this? Are you serious right now? How the hell did a car get up here? What? Oh my God. All right, so let's do an investigation here and try to figure out what the hell this is and what happened. So it looks like a Jeep, first of all. I'm gonna try to see if I can find a logo anywhere. Nope, it's a Grand Cherokee, which is I think a Jeep, right? Let's see. Jesus Christ, how the hell did this happen? Did somebody crash in here upside down? They just left the car? Is there anything in the glove compartment? Nothing. What happened? Yeah, it is a Jeep. Duh. Okay. Oh, okay. So somebody was here. So let's see if there's anything else that we can make. I can't tell what year this is. If anybody does know, please let me know in the comments. You can see the upholstery of the ceiling. And here's the back side. Glass completely gone. What's going on with the steering wheel? I put a little B-Dog digital card there in case anybody wants to find it. That's a little token from me. Well, that's really all there is to see here. There's the pedals and everything. That's just an incredible find. I've never seen an abandoned car like that in the woods before. There must be more stuff like this. Oh, look at that. All right, well, that right there was worth it for the entire trip, for sure.